Hi everyone, I've got some exciting news to share. There is an opportunity to work as chat operator and earn around $350 per week. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time job that lets you work on your own terms, this video is for you. I will be showing you 3 websites where you can chat with strangers and make some real money. If this is your first time here, hi, I am KINGSOMY. On this channel, you find tutorials and videos to help you grow your business and explore different ways to make money online. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share it with anyone who might find it useful. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you join the family so you won't miss any upcoming videos that I will be posting. The first site here is Premium.Chat. In this site, you get paid. They say it here, get paid to chat with clients, fans, and followers. All you need is to sign up here is your email for you to sign up here, and the sign up is easy. Well, for a beginner, for basics, it's easy for you to sign up. You get paid by chatting with rolling people. Let's go to earning potentials. So here in earning potentials, assume that you charge, your billing plan is $1 per minute in chatting, and average length of chat you did is 25 minutes. What they will pay you in that 25 minutes is that they will pay you 0.60 per minute, and they will not pay you the full $1 per minute. They will take their own percentage and pay you 0.60 per minute. That means your profit will be $15. That means if you chat a period of 25 minutes, they will pay you at rate of 0.60 per minute, and that is $15. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Okay, this is chat plan. Assume you at this rate you are using to chat. Assume that you have 5 chats per day. You see that in that day you will be having a profit of $75 per day, and profit per week is $525. With this Premium.Chat online, you can earn a reasonable amount of money if you know what you are doing, and if you have fun of chatting online. It's not that you want to make money. You have fun in it, so that it will be a drive for you to earn more. And by staying and earning, and you have experience, that will trigger that you can go higher, like 10 chats per day, which is $150 per day, and by per week you can earn $1,000 per week. You see that by staying on this platform and playing with it, you can earn a very essential amount of money. So let's go to another site that I will be showing to you guys. So the second one that I will be showing you guys is this website. Don't worry, I'm going to list all this website in my video description below. This website they call Cloudworkers. So in Cloudworkers, the job benefits is whether you wish to work from home or from other side of the globe, you choose when and where you want to work. All that is required for you from Cloudworkers is computer and a stable internet connection and a competent language skill. If you are speaking English, German, or any other language, Italian, you are good to go. So let's go down a little bit. You see, what they expect from you is you own a PC or a laptop for stable internet connection, your possibility to work as a freelancer, and openness for adult dialogue. And what you should expect from them is that they are fast and reliable in payments on monthly basis, flexible and independent planning for working hours, a long-term mutual beneficial working relationship. And also, for you to register on Cloudworkers, it's very simple. All you need to is just your first name, your last name, your email, and your date of birth, your other contacts like your phone number and your Instagram. But the registration is for basic. You can do it if you are a beginner. The third website I'm going to list for you guys is,
so guys, the
third website I'm going to show you is remote for you. You see here they say become a chat operator and work from anywhere, and the registration is for the basic, as in it's not that hard. You see, your first name, your last name, your email, and you agree to their privacy policy. And see, in this site you must be up to 18 years. Then you send your application, and it's not all that hard to start with. And what you'll be chatting about, you will help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a meaningful everyday life by experiencing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. And this anonymous fantasy character means that you will be 100% anonymous. That's what they require from you as a chat agent. Be 100% anonymous, text only, no video and no voice, work independent with full flexibility. So let's go down. You see, what is their salary? Here they stated it has to say how much the salary will be, but skilled chat agents who work 4 to 8 hours per day, 5 days per week, and can easily earn between $100 to $300 per week. What I see in this is that the more work you put here, it will be the more profit you have. If you put more hours in chatting, and then you'll be having more profitable earnings. So some top agents, those people that have experience, can be making up to $3,000 per month. It all depends on your flexibility and experience you have. So here there are also bonuses for you if you work with them, and their pay is weekly. You say we pay weekly and the payment is in euro through online payment. Example, BitSafe. As an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own tax, pension, and other legal consideration on your end. So guys, let's go down. Let's explain more about this salary expectation, because some of you are confused on it. So let's say that this is salary expectation, and what they say, we pay salary on weekly basis, payment in euro through online payment provider. As an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own taxes in your own country and other legal consideration when receiving the money they will pay you. Example, week 1, as a new chat operator, you will use some time to learn the system and what we will chat about. Okay, in week 1, as you say, you do like 25 to 35 messages on average per hour, and 15 to 20 total work hours in a week. You can earn between $110 to $170 paid out per week. And week 2, then you have more experience, you can be earning like $220 to $280 paid out per week. Then week 4, when you are now experienced as a chat operator and very effective, you are writing messages fast, and you know what you are at what time the best to work with to have a maximum benefit in terms of bonuses and incentives. You can be earning $340 paid out per week. So guys, this is it for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. My name is KINGSOMY. Until I see you in the next video, peace.